Hi, this is Tony Cook, and this is What's in the Box. Here's a recent addition to the Walthers Cornerstone series. This is an HO-scale kit for a hardware and lumber store. These are fantastic kits. I mean, Walthers has absolutely, I think, made a name for themselves in all of the amazing kits that they've offered in HO and in scale. We're opening this for the first time, and I'll give you a look at what comes in it. There's color signage that you can cut and paste. Little warranty information in case something is missing. Easy to follow instructions. This looks very similar to their Bargain Depot that was offered recently and reviewed in December 2023's Model Railroad News. The difference here is this kit has a little bit more to it in that it looks like it has the same base structure. This is the look of that Bargain Depot, but this kit also has the lumber facility, like the warehouse in the background here. There's dimension information. I'll put a link below for you to look at the Walthers website to get more information. The parts come in molded colors. And again, everything is plastic, clear window material, side walls. This is really an interesting and neat little building to have your own lumber yard on your HO-scale model railroad. The kit is available now from Walthers Cornerstone. Check it out. It's available at your hobby dealer or direct from Walthers as well. That's what's in the box. Thanks for watching.